In this video, we will go over how to create the terrain perimeter and how to make terrain changes. A terrain perimeter needs to be created before adding terrain information into your plan. Remember that it is best to create the terrain perimeter on floor 1. To create the terrain perimeter, select Terrain, Create Terrain Perimeter. When you select the terrain perimeter, temporary dimensions will appear and indicate the distance between the sides. Let's take a 3D view to see what the terrain looks like. Click the camera drop-down and select Full Camera. Click and drag where you want the camera to be placed. We will see that it is just a rectangular grassy area. I would like to make changes to the terrain. Let's begin by tiling our view so we can make changes in Plan View and see them reflected in the 3D view at the same time. I will go into my Plan View and select Window, Tile Vertically. You can change the terrain shape by using the Edit tools. I'll select this edge of the terrain perimeter. Notice how I have handles for moving, rotating, and reshaping. Now that the terrain perimeter has been selected, the Edit toolbar has appeared and I can use the Break tool to place a new corner edit handle at the location of the break, creating a joint. I can now move this section of the terrain perimeter farther back while the rest of the perimeter stays. I can also use the Change Line to Arc Edit tool to make this edge curved. These tools can help me edit and change the size of my lot to accurately represent the size and shape of the terrain. If I delete the terrain perimeter, all elevation information, terrain regions, and terrain features that have been created will be deleted as well.